Hey YouTube, Untamed here. I want to show you guys this Ram TRX Ignition Edition. So a pretty sweet color and just an overall awesome truck, of course. So super wide body flares. You have that supercharged 6.2 liter V8 that cranks out, I believe it was 702 horsepower if my memory serves me right, but just an incredible truck. So it's not every day I see one. As I'm driving on the freeway, spotted it, figured I'd pop over here and just do a walk around video for you guys. I know it differs and deviates from what I normally show on the channel, but I figured it was too cool of a truck just to pass up. You know, I really think that these trucks with the supercharged V8s, I mean, they're going to become a thing of the past, right? There's only so much longer we're going to be seeing this, and I love it. I love the fact that Ram still produces vehicles like this, right? It's such a cool truck all around. Let me show you the front headlights, darkened headlights. A lot of people think that this is too subtle looking and too similar to the Ram Rebel, and because of that, I don't know, people tend to lean toward the Raptor, which we have two Raptors over there, a Gen 2 and a Gen 3, and the 37 performance package on the far side in Antimatter Blue. So I'm going to show you that here in a second as well, but let's start with the TRX, okay? So just a snarling front grille. Love this functional hood scoop to feed that supercharger. Functional venting up top. Let me know what you think of this Ignition Orange. Trying to give you an idea just how wide these front fender flares are. Pretty remarkable. You kind of see down the side there to the hips of the truck. Pretty incredible. It's pretty tough. I mean, I'll show you the Raptor over here as well. You tell me which one you think looks more aggressive. I'll show you down the back here. It's a really good angle of the truck right here. Of course, a giant TRX decal. I could do without that personally, as if the fender flares aren't enough to really tell you you're driving something special. You got your TRX badge out back and giant Ram across the back. It doesn't have the pricing in it, but I imagine it's, you know, high 90s or low hundreds. Here's a Velociraptor V8. How about that? Hennessy. This is kind of cool. So this is a Gen 2. I would argue the headlights on the Gen 2 Raptor look better than the Gen 3, and I'll show you them side by side here in a second with the Antimatter Blue. Pretty cool applique on the back there. Let me show you the front end real quick. Here's a good idea. So here's kind of your fender flare for the Raptor, and then here's your fender flare for the TRX. Both are equally aggressive, really. So there's your front headlight, kind of like that C headlight. Obviously this one has a Road Armor front bumper, aftermarket. But then here is your Gen 3 in Antimatter Blue. So definitely a sleek color, and depending on how the light is hitting it, it can look black easily, or as you see here, as the light is hitting it, you get that real nice metallic flake that really just pops. But there's your headlight. Kind of a bland, just a block headlight by comparison. I've owned a 37 performance package before in Code Orange. A remarkable truck for a number of reasons, but I don't know, if I were to jump into this kind of truck again, I would lean toward that TRX, because I do think that supercharged V8 is going to be a thing of the past here in the near future, making it extra desirable for years to come, assuming, you know, the government regulations don't force you to stop driving them. Here's your 37 package decal out back. Kind of see the topographical map integrated within it. But a little bit more of a flare. See how you kind of get that half inch flat spot on the actual fender flare? You don't get that on the Gen 2, right? And obviously these are not stock wheels. These are Hennessy wheels over here with some BF Goodrich KO2s. They both have Fox racing suspension. I do love the wheels that come on the 37 package. These look incredible. Starting in 2023, these are now black instead of that dark gray. This one does have a bed cover, trifold, hard trifold. Both have that dual exhaust. Now, let me know which one you prefer out of the two Raptors. And then which one would you pick? The 37 performance package here, sporting the the turbo 6-cylinder here, the EcoBoost, high performance, high output EcoBoost. And apparently a V8 in this one. And then the bright orange, construction orange TRX over here, which looks incredible. So it's definitely screaming in your face. There's no missing this in a parking lot or going down the road. So incredible trucks. Let me know which one you're taking home. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.